I finally got my Baker Creek catalog. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I was getting it. They said they were out. I'm so excited right now. 2023 Rare Seed Catalog. Whoa. Check it out. Look at all these photos. Whoa. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love right now. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. This is whoa. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at how many. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Thank you, Baker Creek. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now.